Deep, black holes. Deep in space, there are things called black holes. A black hole is special. It is like a vacuum cleaner. It pulls in vacuum cleaner. It pulls in everything around it. It can pull in rocks. It can even pull in light. A black hole is black because there is no light. Black holes are far away from us. We can't see them without a special tool. We know they are there because we can see what they do. Black holes are one of the most amazing objects in space. And River is with me too.